How to edit Google Form after submitting. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit the Google Forms after submitting it. So if you can do this or not, watch this video till the very end to know. So if you open any Google form and fill it up and now you want to edit the responses, then how you can do that? So this is possible in only one case. If you ever make a Google form, then go on the setting option, tap on the reactions option, and then if you allow to modify answer, then answers can be changed even after the submissions. And just like this, you can select the inactive option to active, and then the people, even after someone submits the Google form, they can edit their responses on their Google form. But if you do not enable this option and disable it, then no one can edit the form that they have already submitted. So this must be enabled to do that, and you can simply edit it because the form that you will fill up will be created by your Google account, and whenever you try to again open your Google account and try to refill the Google form, you can simply edit it. But if it is disabled, then no, you cannot. So yes, that's how it works. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.